अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज की हम इस वीडियो में बीएड कोर्स कोड 8624 के क्विज़ को डिस्कस करेंगे कि यूनिवर्सिटी ने प्रीवियस क्विज़ किस टाइप का दिया था, उसमें किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस थे। आपने इन क्वेश्चंस को आंसर्स को अच्छी तरह से याद कर लेना है, क्योंकि बार बार इसी टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं। ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल है। ये क्विज़ के क्वेश्चन पूरी बुक में से बनाए गए हैं, 8624 की पूरी बुक में से बनाए गए हैं। ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत इन्फॉर्मेटिव है, आपने फुल वीडियो देखनी है। ओके, अब वीडियो को हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ द इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एजुकेशन ISCED 1997 describes dash levels that can be used to compare education internationally. So correct option is B, 7. Dash defined curriculum has the reconstruction of knowledge and experience under the guidance of school. Correct option B, Taylor 1957. Lower secondary school in Japan covers grade. Correct option C, 7, 8 and 9. Dash in UK focus on one or two areas of the curriculum. Correct option A, specialist schools. Secondary education in Malaysia encompasses dash year. Correct option B, 5. In managerial approach, the principal is the curriculum leader and at the same time instructional leader who is supposed to be the dash. Correct option B, supervisor. Masjid school was first time introduced in education policy. Correct option D, 1979. Examination system at secondary level in Pakistan is correct option C, federal. Curriculum at secondary education in Japan is prepared at dash level. Correct option C, state. The education system in Pakistan is generally divided into dash level. Correct option C, 6 levels. The formation of curriculum wing at Ministry of Education in dash. Correct option C, 1974. Taxonomy of educational objectives includes dash domains. Correct option B, 3. Dash is the study of educational system in which one seeks to understand the similarities and difference among educational system. Correct option A, secondary education. Secondary education in the USA has dash control. Correct option B, state. Dash of the Convention on the Rights of the Child provides that different forms of secondary education should be available and accessible to every child. Correct option C, Article 25A. The Federal Government Educational Institution FGEIS Directorate, Kents and Garrisons was declared as an attached department of Dash in 1977. Correct option B, Ministry of Education. The Ministry of Professional and Technical Training was established in Dash in the wake of 18th Amendment when Education Department was transferred from federal to provinces. Correct option A, 2010. Secondary education in Pakistan being from grade 9 and last for correct option C, 4 year. In 1947, there were dash board of intermediate and secondary education in the country. Correct option A, 0. First stage of teaching practice should be correct option A, making an introductory trip of student teacher to the school. The dash has its origin in the establishment of Los Angeles Monasteries Academy. Correct option A, Beacon House School System. In Japan, education is compulsory and free for all school children from the dash. Correct option A, first to the ninth grades. Curriculum objectives should identify a dash. Correct option D, learning outcome. Dash defined curriculum has the reconstruction of knowledge and experience under the guidance of school. Correct option B, Taylor 1957. Dash in UK. Focus on one or two areas of curriculum. Correct option A. Specialist school. Arabic language will have compulsory up to 8th class according to the education policy of correct option C 1979. Secondary education in Malaysia encompasses dash year. Correct option B 5. Dash of curriculum designing was influenced by system theory. Correct option C system approach. The education system in Pakistan is generally divided into dash level. Correct option C 6. Secondary school certificates are awarded after successful completion of dash year of education. Correct option B 10. Vice Karachi was established in correct option D 1954. A N dash is a descriptive outline and summary of topics that are to be covered in an education or training course. Correct option D objective. The Staff Development Center is a vital part of each regional office of correct option D for Fuji Foundation School System. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.